we're leaving ABR. Morning. I'm back in the land of coverage. The mobile phone signal dropped off massively in the ABR yesterday, so I just stopped posting because nothing was going up. And riding back with Johnny, and we're in Kidderminster, taking our time coming up. We're going to take in a few other nice little passes and roads. No off-road today, it's just all road. Yeah, bike had it. Been taken around the track a couple of times. It's been well worn in, and yeah, it's just fantastic weekend. I'm good it's over. Met so many great people, just brilliant community people. Anyone I talked to, I sat down next to, it was just brilliant. So I'll have to post up. I've loads of stuff on the phone. I'll post this later today when I'm on the ferry, and apologies if it's already been posted, but I couldn't see. So yeah, an absolutely brilliant weekend. Alright, we're just in this beautiful Welsh town. We passed it actually with Owen on the way to the ABR called Bethwest Holyhead. But anyway, I went to throw up the drone to take a shot of this lovely scenic thing, and then the wind caught it, and there was a bit of panic stations. I thought it was going to end up in the river, so I was able to connect it to the phone and manually control it back, thankfully. But yeah, I just, there's visions of this thing dropping into the water, and obviously this lad was just recording everything and hoping it would drop in.
I wasn't going down to get it. Look, show them where it's going.
If it had gone, it was going down there.
Oh my god, another biker, can't see past. Oh, such a shame. Yes.
Yes! Got it.
Dude, that was fucking amazing.
Oh.
So just coming through Holyhead.
Made it to the ferry in time and all in one piece. Look at some great roads on the way up from the ABR. Now we're just going to chill out for a couple hours and then have a 3 hour drive from Holyhead, from Dublin down to home just outside Kinsale. So yeah, just going to try and get some kip and try and relax before I hit that with a stretch home.